Welcome back to Voyage RC. This is going to be the build series for the Team Associated RC10B5M team kit. Let's get wrenching. Welcome back to Voyage RC. Brian here. This is going to be a build update number 1 for the B5M from Team Associated. As you can see, I've kind of got the front arms on, the rear arms on. This kind of went through bags A through C. It's got the front shock towers, rear shock towers, steering bell crank and everything. Build's going together really smooth so far. There's a little bit of resistance in this one arm here. I'm going to have to take it off. I think it's on the inner hinge pin, and just kind of either polish the hinge pin or run a bit through the bulkhead in the arm. See if I can't free it up a little bit. Anyways, the build's going really smooth so far. Really liking the plastics on this. You get a good bite with the screws, and for the most part you've been able to tell when they're all the way in and kind of hit that point where it grabs and locks in. Did have, and I don't know if it's me, but with all my associated builds I usually have problems with the screws holding the front bumper on where they strip out. I know this one right here did strip out. It felt a little soft the whole way going in, so I'm gonna have to look into that. But as you can see, it's holding the bumper on. It just was a little soft going in and everything. Build's going really well. The instructions are straightforward as usual per Team Associated. They got the nice CAD drawings in there with everything, so you know what you're doing, and just go in order. Every bag I've gone through has used all the parts in the bag, and then move on to the next bag and you've used all the parts in that bag. Like I said, this is bags A through C and they've all been like that. Bag A does have the bearings on it. This is all the bearings for the whole kit, so I just put them in this little RPM parts tray. Then I've got it here for the whole kit when I need it. You do get a few extra parts for tuning options. I'm building this straight to the manual, so whatever parts the manual tells me to put in, that's the ones I'm putting in. Later on I'll go through and adjust it for the setup I want. So, build's going well. Really impressed. I'm liking the aluminum chassis on it. There's another, you get the 30-degree bulkhead. Aluminum chassis looks really nice. Everything's lined up perfectly so far. The two pieces that get bolted onto the chassis for the plastic side rails and everything have lined up really well, gone on really easy. So everything's working out well. Again, that's bags A through C on the team kit for the RC10B5M from Team Associated. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next update.